Giuseppe Giusti balsamic vinegar and Alice restaurant in Milan present award-winning Italian chef Viviana Varese. Bras ray wings and escalope of foie gras on a bed of fennel with balsamic vinegar and bouillon sauce.
Sono Viviana Varese.
My name is Viviana Varese, and here is a refined recipe for those looking for taste. To prepare this recipe, you will need around 30 to 40 minutes. It is a complex recipe, a challenge even for the experts. Fennel sauce preparation. Here I have prepared a mirepoix, which will go into a casserole dish. A mirepoix is a preparation of celery, fennel, and carrots cut into small pieces. In the casserole, put a base of oil, some fresh thyme, a pinch of salt, and let the flame go at medium heat. We'll cut our fennel and mix into the casserole where our mirepoix will be ready. We'll add some salt and pepper and cover the vegetable broth and leave to simmer on a medium to high flame until the fennel is softened. Preparation of the foie gras escalope. We have cut out escalope of foie gras into rather thick slices and placed them in vacuum-packed bags. Then place the bags in a machine called roner, which cooks at a low temperature of 60 degrees centigrade for 6 minutes. If you don't have this machine, you can cook it in an aluminum or copper saucepan, such as this one. 6 minutes have passed, so we'll take the foie gras, which, thanks to this mode of cooking it, will remain pink. The escalope of foie gras can be found in specialty food shops. Turn on the flame very hot, without oil. Put salt on the escalope. The saucepan is very hot and will brown for 2 minutes per side. Then place on absorbent paper. Preparation of the bouillon and balsamic vinegar sauce. In the same saucepan where we cook the foie gras, we'll put the bouillon. The bouillon is a preparation of beef bones cooked with water and vegetables for between 4 and 7 days in order to obtain the extraction of the flavor of red meat. Water, a pinch of salt, and some lemon juice to give further acidity, and some sugar. Our sauce is almost ready. We'll turn off the flame. Giusti Gold Label Balsamic Vinegar of Modena is dense, aromatic, and has notes of wood flavor. We'll add this to our sauce, which we will heat lightly and then put apart until the final preparation. Check to see if the fennel is cooked, as they should be just softened. We'll put the fennel in a mixer. We'll mix the fennel at high speed. Our fennel sauce is ready. Preparing the bras ray. We'll put some salt and pepper. I chose the bras ray because it is a delicate, lean, white fish, which is perfect for this recipe. Take a clove of garlic in its skin and lightly squash it. Fry it lightly in a non-stick fry pan with oil and a pinch of salt. We'll warm our sauce of bouillon and balsamic vinegar and place the foie gras to warm it. We'll cook the bras ray on a high flame for 2 minutes per side. Dry white wine, parsley, and a small amount of oil. Dish preparation. Lay down the fennel sauce, which will give sweetness to our plate. Add the small pieces of bras ray. Our escalope. Add the bouillon sauce of balsamic vinegar. And finish with pieces of fresh thyme, Maldon salt, and drops of Giusti gold label balsamic vinegar of Modena. The dish is ready. Ingredients for 4 people. 4 5.3-ounce gras ray fillets, 2 fennels, 1 carrot, 1 celery stick, 1/2 white onion, 14 ounces of vegetable broth, fresh thyme, 3 escalope of foie gras, each 1.7 ounces, garlic clove, 2 ounces extra virgin olive oil, 0.7 ounces of dry white wine, 1.7 ounces of Giusti gold label balsamic vinegar of Modena, bouillon, 0.7 ounces of icing sugar, Maldon salt, 1/2 lemon, salt, and pepper. Visit the site www.giusti.it or click here to see the other video recipes by Viviana Varese.